As Kakamega County, we thought it wise that we visit today. Mostly we want the community feel loved, and we have sensitized the 12 sub-counties on matters prevention response to gender-based violence, and we wanted within the 16 days to now summarize with the Kakamega women prisons.
Hizi programs zinasaidia ku build self-esteem, self-awareness, and bring out the women in them, because wakati we realize most of our clients who kuja hapa, they commit crime due to either stress or anger issues. But once these partners come in, inawasaidia hao wenyewe ku make decisions ama kuwafunza how to handle their anger and how to handle their stress. So wanatoka kama watu wamekuwa rehabilitated, wamekuwa reformed in a better way.